Now, happiness. Let's talk about happiness a little bit. The old premise of what happiness was, if you work hard, you get success, and you will be happy. This is the old premise. The new premise is different. The new premise is, if you are happy, then you will work hard, and then you get success. Now, isn't that better? Isn't it? Yeah? But the old and the new, this is the new thinking behind happiness. This was done by an organization called Live Happy, and in the video it talks about why happy people are more productive, why happy people are more optimistic in terms of what they do, etc.
For years, scientists have been studying it. Governments are appointing cabinet positions to oversee it. The United Nations named an official day after it. Google Analytics prove people are searching for it. In fact, it's one of humanity's oldest pursuits. Happiness. We are wealthier, more educated, and live longer than any previous generation. And as a nation, the US is one of the wealthiest, most powerful, and technologically advanced. And in the most recent World Happiness Report, the United States ranked 17th. And during the Great Depression, when there was little to be happy about, we were actually 18% less depressed than we are now. We have been taught that hard work equals success, which equals happiness, right? Wrong. Research proves happiness is actually a precursor to success, not the other way around. Did you know? Neuroscience proves that we are hardwired to perform at our best when we are happy. Studies show that happy, positive, optimistic people earn higher incomes, set and achieve more aggressive goals, experience less stress, remain calm in high-pressure situations, are more energetic, recover from illness faster, and live longer. Happiness is serious business. When we engage in positive, real-life relationships, our bodies release chemicals that actually help reduce anxiety and increase concentration and focus. How you feel and your attitude toward life all stem from your thoughts, actions, and where you focus your time and energy. Yet we are constantly surrounded by negativity. If we want things to change, we have to create the change. And we start by choosing positivity and happiness. Just imagine the possibilities if there were more happy and positive people in this world. A world with more peace, optimism, and compassion is possible. Like a pebble thrown into a pond, it only takes one to create the ripple of happiness. Happiness is so contagious and infectious that one positive person can spread happiness to more than 1,000 people. That means all it takes to create change on a local, regional, state, country, global scale is one person. And research shows that just by spreading happiness, you actually become happier. You can choose happiness and choose to share it. You can be the catalyst to spread it directly and indirectly. Are you that one? It starts with you, yet it's bigger than you. Happiness is bold. It is courageous, audacious, and challenging. You have the power to choose happiness and to spread it. Join the movement, share the movement, be the one who makes the difference, and live happy.
One more thing that we need to look at, when people are happy, they can make compromises. When they are happy, when you say, I'm satisfied, I'm happy with my spouse, I'm happy with my work, and then you can start to make compromises. Some of the imperfections, you tend to oversee it. It's no big deal. And this is the issue about being happy. If we can make people happy, if we can make Malaysians happy, we can overlook some imperfections, but at $420 US and some more billions to be paid, we got problems. So we are not so happy yet. But if we can make people happy, in organizations, people tend to be less, they can live with the imperfections. And that's the important thing for us to think, to look at. Now, what we did then was to look at a country. This country, Bhutan, the royal country of Bhutan, royal government of Bhutan, they said gross national happiness is more important than gross domestic product. And they listed about 9 domains. Yeah? Each of those circles is a domain, and each domain has got 33, or each domain has got a KPI. Well, I'll move on straight. Each domain has got a KPI, and those are the 9 domains. It's interesting to see that later I'll show you a map in terms of what we've done with that against what we've done in terms of talent engagement against that map, that domain. Yeah? So 1 is about psychological well-being. It's about the mind, the brain. Yeah? 2 is about our health. If we are happy with our health, how we use our time, education, the cultural diversity that we want to go through, governance, community, the social relationships that we have, the ecological diversity, as well as resilience and the living standards. Yeah? That's the Royal Government of Bhutan's index.